It's presentation day. You've strolled to the front of the room, your slides are loaded and on screen. All eyes are on you, but instead of feeling nervous or tense, you breathe a small sigh of relief. And that's because when you found out you were presenting, you tuned into this video. I'm Nathan Uma, and I write content for a living. I'm gonna give you some PowerPoint guidelines for making awesome presentations that will keep your audience listening. Today, we'll cover some recommendations from the planning through the presenting stages, so make sure you stick around. Before we dive in, let's talk Envato Elements. You can download professional and creative PowerPoint templates from the platform, but that's not all. It has unlimited downloads of a growing library of creative assets, simple commercial licensing, and easy cancellation included in your subscription. Envato Elements makes working on your projects a breeze, like your upcoming presentation. Sign up today through the link in the description below. Find more videos on presentations, Photoshop, and more right here when you subscribe to the Envato Tuts Plus YouTube channel. Go through thousands of hours of free educational content that you can dive into whenever you'd like. I'm going to cover a few PowerPoint guidelines you should follow here, but if you want even more, Brenda Barron, Envato Tuts Plus instructor, has a great article with 15 more recommendations that you should check out. I'll leave a link to that in the description below. Before you open up PowerPoint, make sure you know what you want to achieve with your slides. Pinpointing the key goal is one of the best ways for you to focus your content. Along with figuring out your goal, you should also define your call to action. This is important if you're looking to persuade your audience to do something. What your call to action is will depend on your goal. If you're giving a sales pitch, then maybe you'll want them to set up an appointment to learn even more. If you're trying to gather leads, maybe you'll want to share your contact information. Whatever it may be, keep it in line with the focus of your presentation. One of the most important PowerPoint design guidelines has to do with the layout of your slides, but it can be summed up pretty easily in just 3 words: show, don't tell. Break up boring text blocks with visuals like images and graphics. Take a look at the way the Mavino template balances out text with infographics and uniquely shaped image placeholders. It's a visual style you should adopt in your PowerPoint. Animations and transitions are another visual element you can take advantage of. They can help you control the flow of your content and also add some energy to your slideshow. But just like everything, it's best in moderation. Don't go overboard with these effects while designing your presentation. If you do, you'll end up distracting from your content and not enhancing it. All right, so I've got one last recommendation for you, and it's for when it's time to present. Don't read your slides. This one's pretty important, so I'll say it to you one more time. Don't read your slides. The more time you spend reading your slides, the less time you'll spend looking at what's actually important: your audience. Take time to practice and learn your content so you won't have to focus on your slides. That's for your crowd. And remember that if you want your crowd to have some beautiful slides to look at while you present, head to Envato Elements. You can use the unlimited creative assets in the subscription by signing up today. Find the link in the description. You can also find more videos like this one from our Envato Tuts Plus YouTube channel. There's thousands of hours worth of educational content available. And the best part is it's all free. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss what we have coming next. Becoming a presentation rockstar won't take much. With your content and ideas that keep these PowerPoint guidelines in mind, you'll be well on your way to slideshow success. As always, happy presenting, and I'll catch you in the next one.